It's funny how things come back in style in media. First it was film, then it was Super 8, and now I'm seeing like old camcorders come back in popularity. It's awesome. I love it. It reminds me of when I was younger. When I was younger, I had a Samsung Q10, really for me and my friends to make fun little mess around videos. So the question is, can you make good images on a old camcorder like this? I wasn't really sure, so I decided to take the camera downtown and go for a walk in the park and see what images I can make. Here they are. So after looking at these images, some of them I kind of like. They certainly have a lo-fi quality to them and the exposure is just screaming for help, but I think they're kind of neat. So thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day and I'll see you next time.